So I ordered these bulbs from Amazon. I've done quite some reviews on the internet trying to figure out which bulbs to buy, and after reading carefully some of the reviews, this one seems to stand out the most, so I decided to give them a buy to try them out for myself. This is the Crystal Vision Ultra from Philips, and it's the 9006 model, which is for my Dodge Journey. I'll put the link in the description, as well as I'll put the one for the Dodge Dakota, due to the fact that my page is around my Dodge Dakota. So yeah, we're gonna go into the installation, and again so now I'm gonna change out the bulb. Again, we're using the Philips Crystal Vision Ultra, and fortunately for me, the Dodge Journey bulb change out is much easier. Unfortunately for the Dakota, you have to pull out the whole light housing for it to work. So we're just gonna jump right in, change the bulb, and we see how the comparison works. So the low beam is this one on the Dodge Dakota, which will be this one right here. And all you do is push it forward and pull it back, and it pops right out. A little bit of a wiggle, but there you have it. Then you just unclip the back. I'm gonna need my other hand, but let's see if I can get it out like this. A flat screwdriver is always helpful. There we have it. Old conventional bulb, new Philips bulb, pop right in. Now I'm just gonna unlock the door so these lights can come on, just so we have a general idea. Whoa, that's right. There we go. We're gonna put it in the housing now. So as it stands right now, I have the old bulb in and the new Philips bulb. I'm in the garage. It's not that dark in here, but we can still have a comparison. That's white, and you can clearly see the difference between the white and the yellow. Tonight I'll do the performance test, just so you can have an idea of how much brighter it is. Now we have changed both of them out, and tonight we're gonna give it a run on the road, and I'll come back with my reviews and let you know what I think of them. This is just the light driving at night time. Pretty clear, pretty good. I've driven with it in the fog, and now I'm driving with it just on the back road, and it pretty much holds up pretty well, I must say. Okay, so my final review of the Philips Crystal Vision Ultra. If you're looking for a light that when you turn it on, it opens another dimension into another world, kind of bright, this is not the bulb for you. I've drove it in different weather conditions, such as fog, late night, street light, no street lights area, and I must say I'm pretty impressed. It's pretty white, pretty crystal clear, and during the fog drive, it actually cut through the fog very efficient to see, even without, I didn't run my fog light during that time period. I had no problem seeing, I had no issues driving in the fog with these lights. Again, they're not crazy bright. They are much whiter, and they are brighter than the original bulb that was in the Dodge Journey. Again, I put the link in below so you can check them out on Amazon. They are pretty white. The original bulbs were pretty yellow, yellowish. These ones are pretty white when driving with, and they're pretty good. If I think for the price range of these bulbs, I think they're pretty on point for the value for what I paid for them. And if one ever blow, I think I'll end up rebuying these because, like I said, they're pretty good. And this one I installed in my 2009 Dodge Journey. I'll also put a link if you want to get them for your Dodge Dakota. My baby over there. And I see you on my next video.